Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a newer model of Audi TTRS Coupè by Matchbox. I mean, this they released in 2023. I know this is 2024 now, but this I think I got it during 2023 around November, I guess. I know the year of manufacturing you can see here 2023. 6th of 2023, but I got it in my hand around November. Yeah. So I bought this for 149 rupees. I bought this from Hamleys. If you guys are wondering, you can see the logo here. The sticker here. I bought this from Hamleys. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car are, this looks really nice. The paint job looks really nice. It's a mild glittery green, and it's good that they actually put actual grill details in it. It's embossed. It's metal. It's not just painted on. So it's embossed on top of that. It is painted on. The rims looks really cool. I personally love this particular rim set. And it has some great detailing to it actually, especially you can see the door handles here, and it has rear view mirrors. Let me just try to show you the interior, guys. Yeah, the interior is nice. The windows are actually tinted. I'm not sure if you guys can able to see it that clear. Here it is. So as usual, the headlights and taillights both are painted, but it has some good logo detailing to it. I think first time for everything. Okay, it doesn't have any suspension because it's just a main line. And again, Matchbox or Hot Wheels doesn't have any suspension at all. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It rolls okay, but it does have a lot of wheel wobble on both wheels, as you can see. It is actually hard on surface and produces a lot of noise. But regardless, the model looks really great. The detailing looks really nice. I personally like this one, especially for collecting. If you want to play with it, I don't think it is a really good model because it has a lot of wheel wobble. I don't think it is going to perform really very well in track. So that's up to you. If you want to buy this for your kids or something, that's totally up to you. Maybe they will love it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.